Hey everyone, welcome back to HUKI Wood. Today we're diving into the world of 3D hinges. If you're looking to fit and adjust cabinet doors with precision, this video is for you. We'll cover 3 types of 3D hinges and show you how to adjust them for the perfect alignment. Let's get started. Part 1. What are 3D hinges? Show close-up of hinges on a workbench. 3D hinges are adjustable in 3 directions: up and down, left and right, and in and out, giving you ultimate control over the door alignment. These are commonly used in modern cabinets for their flexibility and sleek design. Tools you'll need. Cut to you holding a small set of tools. Before we begin, here's what you'll need: a screwdriver, Phillips or flathead, depending on the hinge; a measuring tape or ruler, optional; a spirit level for perfect alignment. Fitting the hinges. Step 1. Marking the hinge position host, demonstrating on a cabinet door. First, mark where the hinges will be placed. Typically, hinges are placed around 3 inches from the top and bottom edges of the door. Use your combination square for accuracy. Step 2. Drilling the hinge holes. Close-up shot of the drill in action. Next, drill the holes for the hinge cup. Most 3D hinges require a 35mm diameter hole, so make sure your drill bit matches the size. Drill carefully to avoid going too deep. Step 3. Attaching the hinge to the door host, screwing the hinge onto the door. Secure the hinge to the door using the screws provided. Ensure it's flush with the surface. Segment 3. Mounting the door. Step 4. Attaching the hinge to the cabinet frame host, attaching the door to the cabinet. Now, align the hinge plate with the cabinet frame and secure it with screws. Adjust the plate slightly to ensure a proper fit before tightening completely. Segment 4. Adjusting the hinges. Step 5. Horizontal adjustment. Close-up of host adjusting screws. For horizontal alignment, use the front screw on the hinge. Turning it clockwise or counterclockwise will move the door left or right. Step 6. Depth adjustment host, demonstrating depth adjustment. To adjust the door's depth, use the rear screw. This will bring the door closer to or further from the cabinet frame. Step 7. Vertical adjustment host, fine-tuning the door's height. Finally, adjust the vertical alignment by loosening the screws on the hinge plate and moving the door up or down. Retighten the screws once it's in position. If you've not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Segment 5. Final check host, testing the door, opening and closing it smoothly. And there you have it. The 3D hinges are fitted and adjusted perfectly. Double-check that the door opens and closes smoothly and that the gaps are even for a professional finish. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe my YouTube channel for more woodworks tips and ideas.